Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a delay on the application of Calm. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Calm app and you can click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store and then you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.